cooking. Today we'll be preparing vegetarian bibimbap. You can use any vegetables in your fridge. This is what we're using for today. Young spinach, beansprout, which I cleaned up the roots when I was washing them. It's not necessary, but it makes the dish look cleaner. Onion, mushrooms, carrot, and a courgette. For the bibimbap sauce, I have prepared one spicy sauce with gochujang, the other one which is soy sauce base for non-spicy lovers and children. Cut the courgette, carrot, mushrooms, and onions into strips. On medium to high heat, cook the carrots, courgette, onion, and mushrooms all individually. We want to be able to taste the individual vegetables. Also, make sure you season with salt and pepper while you're cooking it. Boil the water in a pot. Once the water starts to boil, add the beansprout into the pot and leave them for 5 minutes. Once it's cooked, run the beansprout under the cold water for 1 to 2 minutes. Drain all the excess water by shaking it. Shake, shake, shake. Using the same pot and water, wait until the water starts boiling again. Add the spinach once it's boiled and leave for 15 seconds. Drain the boiled water away and run cold water on the spinach for 1 to 2 minutes. Squeeze the spinach to remove excess water. Cut the spinach into bite size with a knife, season with salt, garlic, and sesame oil, and mix well with your hands. Do the same for the beansprout. Now for the bibimbap sauce. Prepare a bowl for each sauce. Mix all of the ingredients together. The spicy one is quite thick if you don't add the water, so don't add too much, but you do want it a little bit runny. Put the rice into a bowl and add the assorted vegetables. Now it's time to choose the sauce. I've gone for spicy. Add the bibimbap sauce on the top. 짜잔! My vegetarian bibimbap. And now we're ready to mix. When you eat bibimbap, don't get a chopstick to pick whatever vegetable you want to eat. The right way is getting a spoon and mixing it vigorously. Once it's all mixed, you're ready to eat it. Enjoy.